This is a little-known yet crucial device that supplies fuel to various transport tools globally. It's not a ship, pipeline, or factory machine, but a giant floating vessel called a semi-submersible crane vessel. These sea giants help oil and gas companies assemble offshore platforms, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. These massive cranes can build offshore wind farms, lay underwater pipes, and perform many other tasks. The Saipem 7000 is one of the largest crane vessels still in service. Built since 1985, Saipem 7000 was made by Italy's Fincantieri in Monfalcone, Europe's first of its kind. Due to its size, Saipem 7000 was built in Italy's largest dry dock. This dry dock was originally prepared for battleships. After 2 years of construction, Saipem 7000 launched in 1987, weighing 117,118 tons, the third largest by weight. The ship is 594 feet long, 261 feet wide, with a top deck height of 525 feet. Normal draft is 10.5 meters, but can reach 27.5 meters during ballasting operations. For ballasting, workers deliberately flood areas called ballast tanks. Ballasting serves various purposes, especially for semi-submersible crane vessels, enhancing stability during heavy lifting or deep-sea operations, and providing support when anchoring to the seabed isn't possible. Saipem 7000 has 40 ballast tanks, holding 81,000 cubic meters, with 14 rapid ballast tanks of 26,000 cubic meters. Rapid ballast tanks offer convenience, especially for lighter loads, avoiding long fill times for all tanks. To maintain such a massive hull, Saipem 7000 is equipped with 12 diesel generators, capable of producing 70,000 kilowatts of power. These generators power 12 thrusters on the ship, with 4 at the bow and 4 at the stern, allowing it to reach speeds of 9.5 knots even while sailing. Despite this, most of the time only thrusters are needed to maintain position, as staying in place is crucial for crew and equipment safety during deep-sea operations. Speaking of position control, Saipem 7000 relies not only on its thrusters but also employs dynamic positioning technology. While this tech has existed for decades, today's version is far more complex than its 1960s counterpart. Modern dynamic positioning systems use multiple sensors like laser rings and gyroscopes, plus wind and current sensors, to monitor and respond in real time. Computer algorithms analyze this data and instruct the thrusters, keeping the ship stable during deep-sea operations. Now, let's discuss this ship's lifting capacity. Saipem 7000's star feature is its main cranes located on both sides of the bow, each with a 7,000-ton capacity, totaling 14,000 tons. These cranes can extend 45 meters outward and operate at depths of 450 meters underwater for lifting or placing objects. Additionally, the ship has 2 auxiliary cranes of 2,500 tons and 900 tons, specifically for lighter lifting tasks. Although Saipem 7000 is massive, there's an even larger ship globally called Sleipnir. Built by Japan's Mitsui Engineering and Shipbuilding in 1985, Sleipnir was acquired by Dutch Hirema Marine Contractors in 1997, becoming a flagship underwater heavy-lift vessel. Sleipnir weighs 136,500 tons, about 25,000 tons heavier than Saipem 7000, measuring 606 feet long, 264 feet wide, and 312 feet high. Its draft is 11.9 meters and can submerge to 31.6 meters. Seahill also has 12 diesel engines, with a thruster layout similar to Saipem 7000, but its speed is only 7 knots. While Seahill is slightly slower than Saipem 7000, it excels in lifting capacity. For main cranes, Seahill's lifting capacity is 7,100 tons each, giving it a higher total lifting capacity. Although Seahill's main cranes can only extend to 31.2 meters, its auxiliary crane can reach up to 850 meters, with a capacity of 900 tons. This gives Seahill greater potential for deep-sea operations. Additionally, this giant ship provides accommodation for 736 crew members, has a full helipad and diving bell, ensuring diver safety. Among its many achievements, Sahil has set 2 world records, including a large lifting task of 11,880 tons and breaking the highest lifting record in the Gulf of Mexico. In subsequent years, Saipem's 7,000 kept breaking records, with lifting weights increasing annually. With the arrival of Sleipnir, the world's largest semi-submersible crane vessel, this competition will see a new turn. This ship, built by Sembcorp Marine in Singapore, weighs 273,000 tons, twice the size of Sahil, can maintain a draft of 12 meters while sailing, and submerge to 39 meters when working. This behemoth is powerful, with generators producing nearly 100 MW, reaching speeds of 10 knots. For lifting, Sleipnir's main cranes can each handle 10,000 tons, extending up to 48 meters. In deep-sea operations, its 1,000-ton lifting capacity far exceeds the previous 2 crane vessels. Equipped with modern dynamic positioning, Sleipnir can maintain precise position control within a kilometer range. Since 2019, Sleipnir has performed exceptionally in projects like the Leviathan gas field in the eastern Mediterranean, setting various records. The future for this ship and its class is bright as they continue to drive the global energy market forward. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.